Hey guys, what's up? I am doing something a little different today. I'm actually paying attention to the AE86, and basically I'm gonna take care of something that I really hate in repainted cars. I am painting basically all the door jambs and everything. The reason why is obviously the car is repainted, but obviously that paint job is not lasting and those weren't fixed. I'll cover that in a second. I'm gonna go ahead and paint all these in preparation to get the entire car painted. Obviously before I get the whole car painted, because this is all actually a rattle can job from the owner before the previous owner, I'm gonna go ahead and cut these off and I'm gonna weld on new pieces, which will actually widen the car a little bit. That's for a different day. So what I'm gonna do now, since the car is getting painted, I'm not entirely worried about overspray, but I'm gonna go ahead and paint pretty much everything red. I'm gonna paint it black. All right, I got the entire door and door jamb painted matte black. I put about 4 layers on there, so I just have to let it cure. We should be good. Yeah, I didn't show you, I did all paint prep procedures. I did like a light sanding over most of the crucial bits, and then I acetoned everything, got everything nice and clean. I didn't really worry about stuff that's not really going to be seen because the door card's going over that. I still hit it just for like rust prevention. Same thing with the bottoms of those doors. Now I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna pull everything off. I'm gonna let this cure for a little bit and then put all the weather stripping, put the door card back on right there, and then pretty much button it up for the night. And then perhaps tomorrow I'll hit the other door jamb. This is what it looks like. And you can see like the overspray and stuff. If I have some extra time, I'll have an early start tomorrow. I'll hit the trunk and then potentially start working on these seals. And then after all that's said and done, then I'm gonna start working on the interior. Interior, you can also see bits of red here and there. For the most part, he painted everything though. There's a couple spots here and there that I really want to treat, like that. I want to treat that. Can't really see, but and yeah, you can see like the insides of the doors all the way around. That's all red still. There you go. Yeah, that's all red. So all of that is going to be black when I'm done with it. So I'll pull this. I'm not sure what I'm gonna do with this yet, but I need to pull this, and then I'm looking for a solution for the sunroof. We're back, day 2. By we, I mean Josh and I. It's all masked. Josh has been released from his paper prison. So the door jambs are done on both sides. They turned out pretty dope. Looks more gray in video, but I assure you it's matte black. So now next is interior and trunk, which that's not happening today, but it will happen.